Do it again.
I guess only
What do you do?
Serious conversations going on over here.
What's your favorite color?